Surrounded by little hamlets and hills, Saidpur village is one of such places situated in the footsteps of Margla hills. Saidpur is an ancient village, 400 or 500 years old, with a history and heritage, and of course its own myths and folklore. The Capital Development Authority (CDA) intended to develop Saidpur village into a tourist attraction and making efforts on resurrecting the old village to give it a quaint look. Saidpur is named after Said Khan, the son of Sultan Sarang Khan from the Pothohar region during Emperor Babur's time. During the visit of Raja Man Singh in 1580, it was a garden resort with a number of natural streams supplying water for drinking and irrigation. He turned it into a place of religious worship. He constructed platforms, walled enclosures, and a number of ponds named after the characters of the Hindu epic Ramayana. The first thing one can notice is, on entering the village, a Hindu temple, prominently situated, newly restored and painted. A little removed from the temple to the left is a small building with two orange-colored domes. A plaque on this building written in what appears to be Gurmukhi suggests it might have been a Gurdwara or a Sikh shrine. The distinct cultural identity of Saidpur has always been its pot, and it has always been known as the Potter's Village. The potters are national treasures in themselves, who should be cherished and helped. Preservation of some of the ancient trees is required, as some of these trees which provide people with welcome shade for over 1,000 years. Among other things, the shrine of Zindapir, or the living saint, which was located just a couple of 100 feet above the temple on the hill slope under a pair of old banyan trees. Outside the enclosure, there is a grave of a woman who is believed to have spent all her life sitting and praying at the shrine, known simply as Maiji. On every Thursday evening, folks visit the shrine, light candles or diyas, place them in the holes in walls, say a prayer. They also light candles at the Maiji's grave. Saidpur is a living example, having rich intangible and tangible cultural heritage.